Section 21. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is P. P for pig. I want you to find the letter P on page 21 in your book. Page 21 looks like this. We're going to work with the sound P. Say the sound and words after me. P. P. P for paint. P for pot. Let's read it again. P for paint. P for pot. We are now going to practice writing the letter P. Put your finger on the first P. I'm going to show you how to write the letter. We're working in the tummy and the tail of the cat. We start in the tummy line from the top all the way down to the bottom, one long line, back up and round. Trace it with your finger. I'm going to show you again. From the top all the way down, a nice straight line, back up and round and join it to the line. Please take your crayon and trace the P. Put your finger on the second P. I'm going to show you. We do a straight line down and round. Trace it with your finger. And now trace it with a crayon. Now that you have traced the second letter P, let's go to the last. Put your finger on the last P. I'm going to show you. We go straight down, back up and round. Please trace it with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the last P. Let's read it again. P for paint. P for pot. Now that you have practiced writing the sound P, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the letter P, you can color in the pig. P for pig. The pig likes to play in the mud. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 22.